how you can create a Snapchat poll and then view the results. Let's get started. First of all, you will need to open your Snapchat and take a photo. After that, you can see there are a lot of options on our right side here. Then you click on the second option below the pencil. You click on it, and at the very top you can see various options here like mention, sound, location, topic, questions, poll. So we're going to click on poll. Once we do that, you can add your questions like how are you doing today? Once we do this, we're just going to click on done. And if you want to send this to anyone particular, you can send it by clicking right here. Or if you want to just post it on your story, you can click it right here. I'm just going to post it story. Once you've posted it, in order to view the polls, you're going to click on this top left corner here. It takes you to your profile and you scroll down. As you can see, it's a previous poll of mine. I'm going to click on it. And in order to view the poll results, you just click on this poll. Once you click on it, as you can see, there are 1 up votes and 0 down votes. So this is how you can see poll results and create a poll on Snapchat. Thank you for watching.